Hello everyone. I wanted to express the way I feel about handmade locks versus human homegrown locks. Okay, so the difference is this is 100% human hair, so it is a very good quality hair. It is not the bull that some people be using when it comes to synthetic lock extensions, when it comes to the type of hair, braiding hair, that you do not use when it comes to lock extensions. Okay, so this is handmade lock extensions. If you receive a bundle that looks like this, or if you receive handmade locks period, these only last a good 6 to 7 years. If there's anyone out there that can challenge me stating that they've had theirs for over 10 years, please DM me, because I have not known anyone that can keep them that long. When it comes to human homegrown, meaning someone grew these from their head. Okay, they grew these from their head and we received them, we purchased them from them, or they were donated to whatever loctician, stylist. These are homegrown, meaning you can do anything with these locks. You can color these locks without bleaching. That's the only way that you will be able to get color with these, is by bleaching the hair. If you know about color, then you should know that most colors, especially natural colors, you do not need to bleach the hair to get color. Bleaching the hair will make it weak. So if these are handmade locks, that means they can weaken these locks and they can damage them. You still can damage these locks, but if you do not use bleach, then you will be okay. Okay? So this is handmade lock extensions. These are homegrown, truly 100% no doubt locks, okay, that you can use for lock extensions that will be as permanent as you want them to be. You do not have to cut your locks if you do not want to. With these, over time, you may have to cut them from your real locks once your locks grow to the desired length. Okay? So, to get these locks will be less than these locks. To get human homegrown locks, well, lock extensions, that service, you may pay anywhere from $300 to $500 more than these locks. So keep that in mind. If you are getting handmade locks, only keep them in your hair a good 5 to 6 years. Do not go over that. Clip them from your hair and allow your locks to grow. With these you can keep them as long as you want to. So keep that in mind when you are looking to get lock extensions. So this is a video by Locs by Ange. If you have any questions, I have availability starting March 2021 and moving forward through the year. And I also teach classes. Thank you so much. Team Fresh Locs. Have a great one, y'all.